How to add my child's details to my Centrelink account.
Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to add your child's details to your Centrelink account. This is an important process for managing family services and benefits. We'll break this process down into easy-to-follow steps. So let's get started.
What do you need before starting?
Before starting the process, make sure you have the following. 1. Your Centrelink account details. You'll need your customer reference number, CRN, and password to log into your account. 2. Your child's information. This includes details like their full name, date of birth, and any other relevant details.
How do you log into your Centrelink account?
Follow the steps to log into your account. 1. Open your preferred browser and go to the Centrelink website. 2. On the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. 3. Select the Centrelink option. 4. Input your CRN and password, then click on Sign In.
Where do you add your child's details?
Once logged in, you can add your child's details. 1. Click on the My Family section from the main menu. 2. Under the Children subsection, select Add Child. 3. Fill in the requested details, such as your child's full name, date of birth, and other necessary information. 4. Review the information for accuracy, then click on Submit.
What happens next?
After submitting the form, your child's details will be added to your Centrelink account. 1. Centrelink will review your submission. 2. Once the review is complete, you will receive a confirmation message in your account's mailbox. 3. If Centrelink requires additional information, they will contact you directly. 4. After approval, your child's details will be linked to your account and you'll be able to manage their associated benefits and services. And that's it. You've successfully added your child's details to your Centrelink account. We hope this guide has been helpful. By keeping your Centrelink account updated, you're ensuring that you can effectively manage all the services and benefits available to your family. If you have more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Centrelink directly. Until next time, take care.